Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this giant Econoline Shuttle Bus Camper that we are building a front bumper for with light cutouts and D-rings. You can't really tell just how big this thing is, so I'm going to take you around and show you the size of this thing because it is huge. Look at this thing. So this used to be a transportation bus, hence why I said shuttle bus camper. It is a diesel and it is a dually. And look at how big this thing is. Luckily, we've got these big ass doors here. Otherwise, I don't think that this thing would have fit in here. From here all the way to the door with just a little bit of room back there and just enough room over here as well. This right now is a work in progress. So far, it is awesome. This entire thing is Raptor lined or bed lined in this really cool tan color. And the main focus for this video is going to be replacing this bumper and building a pretty simple but efficient off-road bumper for this absolute monster. If you've seen the video for the other Econoline van that was also a camper that I did a while back, that is basically the same style of bumper that we're building for this, with the exception of this camera right here and these sensors. We are not going to be keeping these sensors. As per request, I'm just going to remove the sensors and tuck them away and zip tie them, and also wire up the new lights for the light cutouts once we finish this bumper. First order of business is going to be removing this original bumper, and then we can jump straight into fabrication. Since I already have the measurements for what I'm building, there's no need to build a template. The entire bumper has now been removed. I've also tucked away that front camera so it doesn't get in the way of the build. As always, what I've done is I've turned the fabrication process into a little montage for you guys, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we've got another wiring kit, and these are pretty straightforward. We've got power, the relay and the fuse, the on and off switch, as well as the connections for the lights. I'm gonna get this wired up through here, and then we will install the lights. That is the completed front bumper for this super cool Econoline Shuttle Bus Camper. It's kind of crazy that you guys get to see me put together a bumper like this in about 10 minutes when you can see how much work actually goes into it. This thing was very fun to put together, and I hope you guys enjoyed the process as much as I enjoyed the process of building something like this. And I think this bumper completes the look of this shuttle bus perfectly too. Hopefully in the future he decides to add a roof rack or a ladder to it. I think that would just add so much more to it too. And even if this thing doesn't see some serious mud or dirt, it still looks absolutely cool. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for the continued support of Cheetah Death Fabrication. Stay tuned for more because we have more builds coming up right after this one, and I will see you guys in the next fabrication video.